going to ride. Going to Mayport village. Gonna take the ferry over to the other side and ride the Timucuan Trail. And I'll see how far I'm gonna go. Probably Amelia Island. So it's gonna be a 50-mile ride. First I'm gonna go over the Intracoastal Waterway. And then I'm heading to Mayport village. I'm gonna stop here for a moment. That's what I always do when I'm going over the Intracoastal Waterway. So cool. Going down the bridge. Now I'm gonna go to Mayport village. But I have the red light. I'm gonna go to Mayport village and taking the ferry to the other side. Nice. It's a beautiful day to ride a bike. Bike riding makes me happy. Just like birding. Road bikes are faster. I'm keeping 20 miles an hour speed and getting there in no time. Perfect timing. Ferry just pulled in and unloading the cars. Look at that. Yep, that's the perfect timing. All right, going in. That's how the ferry looks from the inside. So, just benches and nothing else. It's about to take off now. Alright, taking out. We have arrived. Takes only 5 minutes to get over. Sometimes they let the bicycles go first. Alright, and they have arrived. So now I'm gonna take the trail and head into Little Talbot Island. I'm passing the Huguenot Park and heading to Little Talbot Island. That's the Fort George Inlet. And there's the Huguenot Park. Looks like a high tide. It's a beautiful view from here, one of my favorites. How do you like it? It's beautiful. I like the bike trail here at Little Talbot. So wide and nice. Okay, heading out of Little Talbot State Park. That's the gate, the ranger station. Crossing over to the Big Talbot Island. On your left. On your left. Nice speed. Enjoying my ride. Such a nice ride. That's the second parking. Did you see that? She had a bow and arrows. I wonder what she was aiming. Oh wow! Lots of birds, lots of shorebirds. I don't have my binoculars with me. That's a Nassau Sound. Heading over to the Amelia Island. Over the bridge. Entering Nassau County, Amelia Island. Amelia Island. Heading to American Beach and Amelia Island. And that's called the Beach Lady Highway. Burnie Bark Beachfront Park. Alright, let's check out the Burnie Bark. I've been here before. Alright, I have arrived. Okay, now I'm in Burnie Bark in Amelia Island, and this place is called American Beach. Beautiful view. Monday I'm heading to Miami. I'm gonna take the Amtrak to Miami, spend a couple of days there, and coming back Thursday. It's gonna be fun. But today I wanted to ride, so I came here to Amelia Island, and yeah, I'm gonna spend a little bit of time here, then I'm gonna turn around and ride back. I did 25 miles, and now I'm gonna turn around and heading back. It's gonna be just like I predicted, 50-mile day. Heading back. That's the Amelia Island bike trail. Nice trail, but slow. Amelia Island bike trail is part of East Coast Greenway. And East Coast Greenway reaching from Maine to Key West. But actually only 20% is ready. The rest of it is like a road ride. Crossing the Nassau Sound. I'm on the way back. That's the old bridge there. I remember when it was still active and we didn't have this new bridge. Spoonbill Bond. So now I'm gonna take the boardwalk and head into Big Talbot Island Trail. That's the Big Talbot State Park parking. It's a nice ride here. Little Talbot Island State Park is coming up. The good thing about riding a bike here that you don't have to pay a park fee. You can just ride through. I'm heading out of Little Talbot and passing the Huguenot Park and going back to the ferry. Look how beautiful it is. Really pretty. Timucuan Trail southbound. Okay, now I have to wait when the ferry comes. So that's my Polygon Stratus 7X. I have Shimano 105 Di2 drivetrain, and yeah, that's how it looks. Ferry's coming in. Alright, I'm back on the ferry. Okay. We are on the way. There you go, heading out. Final stretch, 6 miles. I think it's 6 miles. Finish up my video. I'm almost done. 50 miles today. So I'm gonna take Anker to Miami, spend a couple of days there biking and birding, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the way to Miami.